Square every time. You're going to start with a rectangle piece of paper. You're then going to take the right side and fold it over, and then fold it over again. Go ahead and unfold it, and then you're going to take the top right corner and fold it down to this crease right here. Make a nice crease there. Then you're going to do the next fold to right here. Then you're going to have this extra piece right here. You're just going to go ahead and fold that over. Now you can now decide if you want a sharp angle on your stars, you're going to make a sharper angle here. If you want a softer angle, you're going to angle your scissors down here. Then your other option is, do you want a teeny tiny star or a big star? So all those options are up to you. So I want a fairly big star and I want it sharp angled. So I'm going to cut it here. This part is garbage. Then you're going to go ahead and unfold this. And there's your perfect star every single time. Happy folding. These stars can be used as gift wrapping. They could be used as part of book folding. The options are limitless. Please comment below on all the different ways you might use this star to inspire the rest of us. Happy folding.